Sabha MP Dr. R.K. RANJAN urged the centre to take steps to end the current border disputes facing Manipur. He brought up the matter in Lok Sabha during 0 hour yesterday. Dr. RANJAN mentioned about the current interstate boundary disputes along with the Manipur-Nagaland and Manipur-Assam border. He told the House that boundary disputes often trigger squabbling and enmity between the ethnic people settled in and around the disputed areas and affect the interstate relationships. Rajya Sabha MP Sanajawal Semba met Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal today to discuss the issue regarding appointment of regular Vice Chancellor of Manipur University. The MP met the Union Minister this morning at his residence in Safdarshan Road, New Delhi. During the meeting, the Union Minister assured to appoint a regular VC soon, saying the process is almost finished. 2 drug peddlers were arrested along with 1.179 kgs of opium yesterday at Numbrang area by a team of Imphal East Commando. The arrested persons were identified as Mangkokau Kipgin, aged 30 years, son of K. Lunkolam of Bongbal Kulin under URIPOK Police Station, and Baumintang Tautang, aged 25 years, son of Led Somang of Cycle Bazaar, Kangpokpi District. The police team, while frisking and checking at Numbrang area, found the 2 persons moving in a suspicious manner along Gaitilmanbi side towards URIPOK on foot. A 6-day health card-making drive for URIPOK constituency organized by Social Upliftment BJP Manipur Pradesh in collaboration with BJP URIPOK Mandal and ASA workers of State Health Directorate Manipur Government concluded today at United Friends Library Club in Lamboy, Konangkong. BJP URIPOK Mandal President Jiten Tongbram, IT Cell BJP Manipur Pradesh Mohendro, and Social Upliftment Cell BJP Manipur Pradesh Convener Advocate Saubam Nongpok Nganba were present in the drive. India recorded 12,143 new cases of coronavirus in the last 24 hours, taking its total tally to 1,892,746, according to the data from the Union Health Ministry. With 103 deaths, the death toll due to COVID-19 rose to 1,55,550. The number of active cases has further come down to 1.36 lakh. As many as 1,06,625 people have recovered from coronavirus. Kerala reported 5,397 new cases, while Maharashtra reported 3,670, the highest in a month. The Health Ministry data stated that many as 79,67,647 people in the country have been administered the COVID-19 vaccine till date. The COVID-19 vaccination drive picked up pace today as many beneficiaries who had received their first shots on day 1 of the exercise 4 weeks ago turned up to get their second dose. The second dose delivery began at Loknayak J. Prakash Narayan Hospital, LNJP as well, and over 20 persons had received the second shots by noon. Petrol and diesel prices maintain its northward rally today amid firm global prices, with the benchmark Brent crude gaining over 2% on a single day to cross $62 a barrel mark. Accordingly, oil marketing companies raised the pump price of diesel by year-high level of 36 paise per liter and petrol by another 30 paise per liter in Delhi. With this increase, the 5th consecutive this week, petrol is now priced at Rs 88.44 a liter and diesel Rs 78.74 a liter in the national capital. The increase today has followed the firming global crude oil prices that have maintained a record streak of gains in past few days, reaching over $62 a barrel mark. Nearly 1/3 of Uttarakhand is at risk of devastating glacier floods, like the one that shook Chamoli district. After mapping more than 5,000 glacial lakes on the Indian side of the Himalayan range, a group of scientists have claimed that there are more than 500 glacier lakes in Uttarakhand at risk of an outburst, according to media reports. A recent flash flood in the Chamoli district swamped hundreds of people and wiped out newly constructed dams and bridges and 2 power projects in the Tapovan area of the district on Sunday last.